depends upon location of Earth. We know that weight divided are not constant, physical quantity, and depend करे तो height, depth, location, and speed of frame or turns. Understand the Earth's guide. All Earth's guide is not perfect spherical surface. Perfect spherical surface mana change radius mana me barabar. पर किड़ी से भी on the ellipse just like in a ellipse से भी on the earth and geographical but term and pole and equator. Same body is measured at the pole of Earth and equator of Earth. So many hundred body the weight साइयो काफी अधिक weight of body को आपको weight of body is greater than the body. क्यों कहा है?
gravity वाली काम नहीं.
distance घट आपको
शाबाश. According to the universal law of gravitation, बोलो अर्थ से का है inversely proportionalized r square. Inversely proportionalized square of distance between the centers of two center of earth and center of particle जो pole. और जो particle जो रखेला है जमीन के pole पे. सागियो body रखेला है क्यों करते? आने तो हम compare करना. distance जो आकाश से घट रहे तो center का pole and center का equator. Equator के distance जो अवधि का है pole of earth का है. pole of earth inversely proportional square of distance between two points. और two pole के और घट पूरे वाले pole of earth के बारे वधी weight भी दिखा वधी and चौथा है speed of frame of factor जब weight of body depends upon the speed of frame of reference. And first me, what do you mean by frame of reference? Frame of reference now is a place of experiment in which physical quantities are measured. Suppose हम ट्रेन के कैबिन में बैठा हो और देर जब कार बनी थी उन्हें जो लास्ट से कितना आगे के वाले now what is train compartment of train it is a car defined frame of तहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म पे बैठा आवाज जहाँ ट्रेन बनी थी उन्हें जो लास्ट से के मेजर क्यों था what is platform it is frame of
reference
जैसी माना है place of estimate and जितने physical quantities are measured. Suppose तो आप क्लास में बैठा है अब you want to study position of pen now class it is a called frame of
reference
जैसी माना है place of estimate in which physical quantities are measured. And we have two types and इकड़ो आहे inertia जो आहे
non
inertia दी माना है a frame or reference which is a right. And say तमाम you are sitting inside the cabin compartment of train. आवाज़ ये आप कार होने पर and वहाँ ट्रेन की गाड़ी रेस्ट में आई तमाम ट्रेन के velocity measure क्यों आई now velocity of train it is measured inertial frame of reference. A frame of reference which is at rest. या to move जिकरे rest में आए तो what is stage का है zero. And uniform velocity में भी zero. So inner frame of reference it is also called non-stationary. Physical quantities are measured by you at rest या uniform velocity. Second है non-inertial. Changing on a frame of reference which moves with non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity माना जहाँ ट्रेन में वहाँ बैठा वो आने बजे पर examine and physical quantities are observed, measured by you, and they are measured can be non-inertial frame of reference. And physical quantities जे ना they are observed by you. कोई frame of reference का वाल कौन measure करता? physical quantities की measure कैसे होता? At rest या यूनिफॉर्म velocity या non-uniform velocity. Physical quantities are observed by you at rest, uniform velocity या non-uniform velocity. आणि सही पाणी point आहे weight of body depends कहते speed. आणि या point समझना depend होकर speed on the frame of reference. और consider जो left या left at जो right. and you know left जो compartment है, cabin है, box है, and which moves up and down by means of the cabin. Cabin thick wire है. Then you exert unbalanced force. And then your left moves up and down. First me हमारी left. And suppose तो आप ये weight के measure कौन सा है? Inside coming frame of reference. What is the left here? It is the frame of reference. और वहाँ जहाँ पैर जगह रखे लाए on the weighing scale, say the when you are standing on the device surface on the weighing scale, now two forces are acting on you. If you want to weight eye downward, eye direction of surface. According to Newton, reaction of surface it is equal to y. And you want to weight y. It is called real actual weight. Measured coming inertial frame of reference. You know what is the meaning of inertial frame of reference?
Uniform velocity and rest
frame of reference, which is at rest. तो अपन ये weight के measured क्यों आए coming rest में माना coming inertial frame of reference. અને weight જે કોઈ वो डिपेंड करेगा वाले स्पीड ऑफ फ्रेम ऑफ से हमारे सेकंड लेफ्ट पर लेफ्ट माना फ्रेम ऑफ आई मूव से है अपवर्ड आई मनी तो सेमी इसके साया वहां बैठा फर्स्ट मी लेफ्ट के में भी रेस्ट में नाउ ऑन लेफ्ट जो गाइड मूव्स हाउ इट मूव्स अपवर्ड when the upward force is greater than the downward, it is greater than W. R1 W कटे जो जवाब चाहिए. According signal of Newton, आणि reaction जी को बराबर आखेंगे W plus AB. According third law of Newton, reaction of surface equalize on the apparent weight. What is operand weight? बराबर I can do. And what is the reaction of surface acting on your field equal W plus AB. And W माना हम जो real actual weight, AB माना unreal. हाँ हम जो W prime equal it is greater than equal actual weight. Suppose हम जो actual weight pointer हमारे reading price is 50 pounds. And so what is operand weight? Sum of real plus unreal. ये वहाँ जो 50 ऐसे unreal दिखा भी है. माना घरों भी हो. operand weight of body दिखा है increase. I am body दिखा है feel करे वाले heavy. Here the result उन्हें के समय those bodies which are inside the left and moves upward. He waits by it is also measured now inner self revolves. Suppose he by left me with and your friend by ground the with and left the guy moves upward. Suppose those ground the between charged feet number the heavy feet. Here those bodies which are inside the left according to Newton upwardly उन्हें मतलब reaction of surface को it is equal to W plus I left the guy moves down. When downward force the greater than W R particular जवाब आया. Unbalanced signal of Newton. R बराबर W minus A. According to law of Newton, reaction of surface acting on you, it is called operand W prime. W prime बराबर R है and downward में R का जो बराबर है W minus AB. माना operand equal it is less than actual weight by AB. जेवन जो real weight देखो 50 and unbalanced on the 20. What is operand equal 30 pounds? You feel by lighter. Lighter we can figure out those bodies which are inside the body. That means non-inner self and downwardly उन्हें जो बता reaction of surface करो W minus AB. Sudden जगह है cabin जगह है break देती I break the sound now ERF jigger goes down. Under the gravity and becomes example of free fall. And free fall the manae A बराबर equal W prime downward. A bracket means G minus T. And free fall the कैसे बराबर आती है? And operand beta body becomes 0. N equal 3 or